The Kroll Cost of Capital Navigator U.S. Industry Benchmarking Module Excel add-in provides subscribers with comprehensive industry-level statistics presented in a concise, consistent, and clear format for approximately 170 U.S. industries, with quarterly data going back to March 2014. The add-in interacts directly with your own Excel models and enables you to import all industry-level data directly into your own spreadsheets. Get started by selecting the Cost of Capital Navigator in your Excel ribbon. Click on Launch the U.S. Industry Benchmarking module, and log in with your Cost of Capital Navigator credentials. Next, select Evaluation Date, United States as your region, and USD as your currency. Scroll to see the industries available, or search by typing ahead. Once you have selected your industry, you can preview the list of companies that make up that industry. When ready, click Export to Excel to import the industry-level data. Now you're ready to analyze all the cost of capital estimates, betas, multiples, and more. And you can easily link up the data to your own Excel models. Learn more by visiting kroll.com/Cost of Capital Navigator.